And then this is the lead magnet. They're opting in to learn how to do this thing. And then so in this video, it looks like this, right? We just looked at the script just a second ago, but there's that intro, there's the hook. Okay. So the intro and the hook, that's there. And then it's that inspire, educate, okay, ask, motivate. Okay. So that's what we're educating them. So we're providing goodwill. And then, whoops, my pen's being crazy. So that's what they get. They get this free training where we're going to educate them and then we're going to ask them to buy. So now we've got a lead magnet. All right. What does that page need to have on it? What does it need to look like? You're going to keep it simple once again. And this page is very simple. The less you have on it, the better it's going to perform. Less decisions, less fatigue of the brain and thinking about all these things. So your headline, this is the most important thing on this entire page, is your headline. Have an image of what they're going to get on the next page. Just take the video that you made, the VSL, and clip a piece out of it that looks interesting and have a little play button on it. And it's just a picture. And if they click this picture, okay, I've got this funnel down below, by the way. If they click this picture or they click this button, as you can see here, there's 2 lines. It opens up a box that they can put their name and email in. Then you've got these bullet points, which are just literally things that you found people saying about their problem. Okay. And then get their email. That'd be getting a lead. Once they opt in, we're going to follow up with them. We're going to send them emails every single day until they buy or unsubscribe. And that's that. Okay. These are fun, simple emails. 80% of the emails are give or educate, and then 20% are just straight up ask to buy. Okay. So give 20%. You're asking in all of them subtly, but in 20% of them, it's just a straight up buy my stuff. When they opt in, they go into your email list. Then they start getting these automated emails. Okay. Here's a daily marketing email template. So send daily emails. Okay. Send daily emails. You basically have a powerful subject line that's catchy and a relevant one, and it gets them to open the email. You could have the most amazing thing inside of the email, but if they don't open it, it don't matter. So this is your headline. Open up with a greeting, and then look, inspire, educate, ask, motivate. Now, I'm not going to read all this, but that's the pattern of the email. You'll notice that's what we do for the video sales letter. It's what we do for content. It's what we do for emails, right? And then sign off, and you're always, sign off, link over to something, okay? Get them to go check out the product, okay? Play with this. Just give it a try, and don't overthink it. Just make it simple, okay? And you can use ChatGPT to help you there, but, screenshot this, take a look at it. And then now that you have this machine all built and in place, now it's time to do the traffic and do some marketing. So here is what we're going to do. You can use this inspire, educate, ask, motivate. And each day, what you'd like to do is you'd like to come up with a theme each day, whatever it is that you're going to talk about. Whatever, one day I could have a theme where I'm just talking about landing pages. Next day I could have a theme where I'm talking about creating products. Next day I could have a theme about, something in marketing, whatever. Okay. Just have a theme for the day that you're going to go over. And then your first post could go out here in the morning. Like you could be their morning coffee. Okay. They could watch your video or whatever in their morning coffee. So this is the morning. This could be your inspire post. So you could do a story, an image, something. You could share a motivational quote, something that uplift them and energize them and get them going for the tone of their day. Okay. The next post can go out a few hours later. Okay. And this one can be your educate post. So maybe around 12. And this is just a purely educational post. Again, we're working off of the theme of the day. Okay. So provide valuable insights. And you're always, hey, go over and check out my free lead magnet. Go over and check out my free thing. I got this free training. Okay. You're always talking about that. It's kind of your call to action all the time at the end of what you've been doing there. And then at 3, you could send another one out. This one's like a question or a poll. You're asking them, hey, what do you guys this? What do you this? And it's, again, following that theme that you picked for the day. And then in the evening, you can put one out. This is the motivate. Maybe share a success story, a case story, and then end with a strong call to action. Tell them to go buy something. Tell them to go buy your thing. Okay. Tell them to go join your weekly workshop. Tell them to, check out the free lead magnet, whatever it is. This is a great pattern that you can get into. And this is a very simple way to think about it. And when you do the content, you can literally just use that same copywriting framework, the inspire, educate, ask, motivate.